Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Pirnati Alo from Chemistry Education Class B. Okay, I will explain a practicum report regarding the modification of sulfur. Title: Modification of sulfur. Objective: First, to study several modification of sulfur. Second, to study characteristic of hydrogen sulfide and H2SO4. Literature review: sulfur is a chemical element in the periodic table that has the symbol S and atomic number 60. Its shape is non-metal which has no test, no smell, and multivalent. Sulfur is multivalent, tasteless, and odorless non-metal element. The number sulfur valence or from STOS allows sulfur to precipitate in various geochemical properties biochemistry. Element sulfur as the cathode materials is natural, abundant, environmental friendly, and cost-effective. Sulfur is widely available in nature as an element, as H2S and SO2 in sulfide or metals and as sulfates and sono. Experimental work scheme: Modification of sulfur. First, blend 0.5 grams of sulfur in evaporation cup by heating the sulfur until it melts and let it freeze. Observe crystal stripes. Second, heat 0.5 grams of sulfur powder in the test tube. While shaking the tube, observe the sulfur color change. Characteristic of sulfur acid: had a pinch of copper in a test tube containing 1 ml H2SO4 or not boiling. Observe the activity in the test tube. Place the filter paper moistened with K2CrO4 solution in the mouth of test tube or test tube in step 1. Observe the color change on the filter paper. Put sucrose into the test tube and a few drops of concentrate H2SO4. Observe and take a note the activity in the test tube. Put 2 ml of acetic acid into the tube, add 2 ml of ethanol and 2 ml of concentrate H2SO4. Heat test tube using a Bunsen burner. Observe and take a note the activity in the test tube. Discussion: First, modification of sulfur. In this experiment, two processes were carried out, namely the modification of sulfur and the properties of sulfur acid. At first, the sulfur, which is still in powder form, turns into yellow crystal because it is heat, which was originally a solid, to a liquid and cooled to form crystal. In the second experiment, heating copper in a test tube containing H2SO4. In the solution, bubbles form, and the black solution look for the properties of hydrogen and sulfur acid. Then the filter paper was moistened with K2CrO4 product by observing the change in the color of the paper, which indicated a reaction occurred. In addition, in the reaction of sulfur acid which acts as a dehydrator for sugar, this reaction produces carbon and water dissolved in sulfur acid. Next, add MnO2. When MnO2 is added or black in color, gas bubbles form in the test tube. The purpose of adding MnO2 to catalyze the decomposition of H2O and O2, so that O2 gas is formed in the test tube. The solution is cloudy gray in color and there are bubbles of O2 gas. The reaction that occur are MnO2 plus H2O until MnO3 plus H2O, MnO3 plus H2O until MnO2 plus O2 plus H2O. Conclusion: based on the experiment, it can be concluded that the modification of sulfur can be seen from the change in the structure of the sulfur itself, which is marked by a crystal form. Next is sulfur acid has properties, namely as a oxidizing agent, as a dehydration agent. That is all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.